how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I have come back after a long time. Although I promised of uploading the videos, but I could not keep my promise, so I am extremely sorry for that. Now from onward, I shall try my best to upload the videos. Today we are going to study the 4 fundamental operations and the exercise related to it. I hope you like this video, so please stay with me till the end of this video. Fundamental operations, that is the basic operations. So what are the basic operations that we use in mathematics in our daily life? Let's see them serially. The first operation is division. So we use this sign divide for performing the division. The next operation is multiplication. So for this operation we use the cross sign, which is called multiply. And the third operation is addition. So for this operation we use the symbol plus. And the final operation is subtraction. And for subtraction we use the sign minus. So the first operation is division, the second operation is multiplication, the third operation is addition, and finally the fourth operation is subtraction. So these 4 operations, they form a rule called Dimash rule. That is divide, multiplication, addition and subtraction rule. So we will perform divide, multiplication, addition and subtraction serially. At first we should perform the division, then after that multiplication, then after that addition, and finally the subtraction. We have to undergo the Dimash rule. Now let's learn, when we are given in the sentence form, then what are the words that are used for the symbol for the particular operations. Quotient. Whenever you come through the word quotient, then you have to put the division symbol. Product or times. Whenever you see these words, then you have to put the multiplication sign. Sum. So it represents plus sign. Difference. It represents minus sign. Let's start the exercise. Exercise 2.2, creative section. I request students to attempt the general section at first, then after that you can come to the creative section. So question number 7, let's make mathematical expressions and simplify. Here we are given in the statement form, that is in the sentence form, and we have to convert this sentence into the mathematical expression by putting the symbol for mathematical operation. Let's see. 5 is subtracted from the sum of 8 and 7. Here we are given the word from, and when we are given the word from, we should start from this position. So let's see, from the sum of 8 and 7. Sum denotes the plus sign, that is plus of 8 and 7. So 8 plus 7, 5 is subtracted, minus 5. Let's follow the Dimash rule. No divide, no multiply. Here we have addition sign. 8 plus 7, 15 minus 5. After addition, minus sign. 15 minus 5, 10. This is our answer. 7 is added to the product of 5 and 6. 7 is added, that is 7 plus the product of 5 and 6. Product indicates the multiplication sign. So multiplication of 5 and 6. 5 into 6. Let's follow Dimash rule. No divide. After divide there should come multiplication. So we should multiply 5 and 6. 7 plus 5 into 6, 30. After multiplication there should be addition. So 7 plus 30, 37. This is our answer. 9 is subtracted from the product of 7 and 3. As I told you in the previous question that when there is the word from, then that should be our starting position. So from the product of 7 and 3. Product indicates multiplication. So 7 into 3, 9 is subtracted, minus 9. So according to Dimash rule, at first there should be division, but there is no division. So after division, multiplication, 7 into 3, 21, minus 9. After multiplication, there should be addition, but we have no addition. So we will do a subtraction. 21 minus 9, we get 12. 8 is added to the quotient of 36 divided by 4. 8 is added, that is 8 plus, to the quotient of 36 divided by 4. Quotient indicates the division sign. So 36 divided by 4. 36 divided by 4. At first we have to perform division. We have got a division. 36 divided by 4. 8 plus, we have got 9. After division, no multiplication sign. Directly we have addition sign. So 8 plus 9, 17. The product of 7 and the quotient of 40 divided by 5. Here the word product indicates the multiplication. So multiplication of 7 with the quotient of 40 divided by 5. That is 40 divided by 5. Let's see again. 7 is multiplied to the quotient of 40 divided by 5. So let's follow Dimash rule. Here is divide. 40 divided by 5. 7 into 8. After division, multiplication. 7 into 8, 56. No addition, no subtraction. Now we have question number 8. We are given the mixed operation and we have to simplify them following the Dimash rule. We have got here Dimash. Let's follow according to this rule. At first, we have to do the operation of division. Do we have the division? Yes. Here is the division. So 27 divided by 3, 3 9s are 27. Rest number as they are into 4 plus 12 minus 5. After division, we have multiplication. Do we have multiplication? Yes. Here we have got the multiplication. Multiplication of 9 and 4. 9 into 4, 36 plus 12 minus 5. After multiplication, we have addition. So addition of 36 and 12. 36 plus 12, 48 minus 5. So finally, we have got here subtraction. Subtraction of 48 and 5. 48 minus 5, 43. The next question, 48 divided by 8 into 7 plus 5 minus 10. Here we have got division. So 48 divided by 8, 8 6 is 48 into 7 plus 5 minus 10. So after division, multiplication, 6 into 7, 42 plus 5 minus 10. After multiplication, addition, 42 plus 5, 47 minus 10. Finally, we have got a subtraction. 47 minus 10, we have got 37. 10 into 9 plus 63 divided by 7 minus 20. Perform the division at first. 10 into 9 plus 63 divided by 7. 7 9 is 63 minus 20. After division, multiplication. 10 into 9, 90 plus 9 minus 20. After multiplication, addition, 90 plus 9, 99 minus 20. After addition, finally subtraction, 99 minus 20, 79. Let's move to the next question. 40 plus 4 into 3 minus 32 divided by 8. So division at first, we know that 40 plus 4 into 3 minus 32 divided by 8, 8 4s are 32. So after division, multiplication, 40 plus 4 into 3, 12 minus 4. After multiplication, addition, 40 plus 12, 52 minus 4. 52 minus 4, 48. 35 minus 12 plus 6 into 36 divided by 4. So division at first, 35 minus 12 plus 6 into 4 shall divide 36, 4 9s are 36. So after division, multiplication, 35 minus 12 plus 6 into 9, 54. Now let's see here, most of the students, they do mistake. They leave this minus and they add 12 and 54. Let's see here in the row. They leave this minus and this 12 and 54 they just add and they write 66, which is totally wrong. You cannot leave this minus and you cannot add this 12 with 54. Since this minus belongs to 12, so 12 can never be added with 54. So never do this mistake. Let's collect the positive sign. That is 35 has got plus sign, 54 has got plus sign. So let's collect these two numbers having plus sign. 35 plus 54 minus 12. Now after multiplication, we should do addition. 35 plus 54, 89 minus 12, 89 minus 12, 77. This question is similar to the previous one. Let's see, 8 into 5 minus 15 plus 10 into 27 divided by 9. Division sign at first. 8 into 5 minus 15 plus 10 into 9 3s are 27. After division, multiplication, 8 into 5, 8 into 5, 40 minus 15 plus 10 into 3, 30. We have got here two multiplication sign, so we shall do this both. Now let's collect the number with positive sign. 40 plus 30 minus 15. 40 plus 30, 70 minus 15, we have 55. Let's see the next. 3 plus 8 into 72 divided by 8 minus 10 minus 5. The division one at first. 3 plus 8 into 8 9s are 72 minus 10 minus 5. After division, multiplication, 3 plus 8 into 9, 72 minus 10 minus 5. After multiplication, addition, we can say that these two numbers have got positive sign and these two numbers have got negative sign. So under addition, we have to add these positive numbers as well as negative numbers. It is not true that we should add only the positive numbers under addition. Under addition, we should add these positive numbers as well as these negative numbers. So 3 plus 72, 75 minus 10 minus 5 minus 15. 75 minus 15, we have 60. This is similar to the previous one. 15 minus 6 plus 7 into 63 divided by 9 minus 40. So this one at first. 15 minus 6 plus 7 into 63 divided by 9. 9 7 is 63 minus 40. After division, multiplication, 15 minus 6 plus 7 into 7, 49 minus 40. 15 and 49, these both numbers have got positive sign. 6 and 40, these two numbers have got negative sign. So let's collect these positive numbers and negative numbers separately. 15 plus 49 minus 6 minus 40. 15 plus 49, 9 plus 5, 14, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 64 minus 6 and 40 should be added. Minus 6 minus 40 minus 46. 64 minus 46. 64 minus 46, we get 18. This is our answer. Now question number 9. Here we are given the word problem, and from these word problems we have to make the mathematical expressions. Like question number 7, by putting the symbol for mathematical operation, then we have to simplify and solve these problems. Let's see. Sunaina bought 6 pencils at rupees 8 each. That is, the cost of one pencil is rupees 8. So what will be the cost of 6 pencil? It would be 6 into 8. 6 into 8, this is the cost of 6 pencils. Since one pencil costs rupees 8, so the cost of 6 pencils would be 6 into 8. Then she gave rupees 50 note to the shopkeeper. That is, the shopkeeper will deduct this price, that is the cost of 6 pencil, from rupees 50. So 50 minus 6 into 8. Now let's simplify. 50 minus 6 into 8. Multiplication at first. So 6 into 8, 48. So 50 minus 48, 2. So how much did the shopkeeper return her? Therefore, the shopkeeper returned rupees 2. This question is similar to the previous one, but here this boy has bought 2 types of items. One item is exercise book and another item is eraser. Since these 2 items are the expenses, so we have to add these 2 items, the cost of these 2 items at first, then we should subtract from rupees 500. Let's see. 500 minus the cost of these 2 items should be kept in bracket. So 6 exercise books at rupees 40 each, that is 6 into 40, plus 1 eraser for rupees 10. 500 minus 6 into 40, multiplication at first, it becomes 240 plus 10. 500 minus 240 plus 10, 250. So 500 minus 250, we get rupees 250. So the shopkeeper returned him rupees 250. You can write down the conclusion by yourself. Here in this question, the rate of rice and the rate of sugar is given separately. And we have to find out the total cost of 5 kg of rice and 2 kg of sugar. Here, since 1 kg of rice is rupees 90, so 5 kg of rice would be 5 into 90 plus. We have to do plus, since the question tells us to find out the total cost, so we should add the cost of 5 kg of rice and 2 kg of sugar. So 1 kg of sugar is rupees 80. So the 2 kg of sugar would be 2 into 80. 5 into 90, 450 plus 2 into 80, 160. So let's add them. We would get rupees 610. So the total cost of 5 kg of rice and 2 kg of sugar is rupees 610. Therefore, the total cost, let's write the short form, is rupees 610. The last question of this exercise. This question is a little bit confusing one. So let us do this very carefully. On the day, there were 27 students present in class 6. So let's see here. The question says that 27 students were present on a particular day. But the question doesn't say that total number of students is 27. There might be some students absent. And it again says 16 of them were girls. If only 3 boys were absent on that day, find the number of boys in class 6. We have to find out the number of boys. As we know that number of boys equal to total students minus number of girls. So let's subtract. On the particular day, 27 students were as total students in the class. Actually 27 students is not the number of total students, since 3 boys were absent. But for the particular day, 27 students were total in class. So the number of boys on that day would be 27 minus 16. So this is the number of boys on the particular day. But the question says we have to find out the number of boys. Number of boys forever in that class. That is for that session. How many number of boys would be in that class? And since 3 boys were absent, so this is the number of boys on that particular day plus 3. This would give us the number of boys in that class for that session. So 27 minus 16, it would be 11 plus 3, 11 plus 3, 14. So this is the total number of boys in class 6. Therefore, the total number of boys in class 6 is 14. Well, this was the end of the exercise. I hope you have liked this video. Hope to meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.